To reset the vehicle maintenance required reminder on your 2020 Toyota RAV4, first, turn on the engine. You're going to use these arrow keys and the OK button to access the vehicle menu settings. You can either use the left or the right. You're going to need to access the vehicle settings menu, which is represented by a gear on the menu screen. This screen. From there, arrow down until you get to vehicle settings. Press and hold the OK button to access the vehicle settings menu. Arrow down to scheduled maintenance, and then press the OK button. From here, arrow up to the yes, press the OK button, and the reset has been complete. Your maintenance required reminder should turn off from this point.